In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload designs on Redbubble. If you are an artist or designer looking to share your creative work with a global audience, Redbubble is a powerful platform that allows you to turn your artwork into products like t-shirts, stickers, posters, and more. In this guide, I will walk you through the complete process of uploading your design so you can start showcasing your work professionally and confidently. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Redbubble website. Once the page loads, you will see a platform filled with independent artists and a wide variety of creative products. To proceed, you need to log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you do not already have an account, you will need to sign up first by entering your email address and creating a password. After logging in successfully, you will be directed to your main dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Sell Your Art. This section is where artists begin the process of uploading their designs and turning them into products available for customers worldwide. Next, find and click on the option labeled Add New Work. This will take you to the Upload page where you can begin adding your artwork. Click the Upload New Work button and select the file from your computer. Make sure your design is high resolution, as this will ensure it looks sharp and professional across all product types. Once your file is uploaded, you will need to add a title for your design. Choose a clear and descriptive title that helps explain your artwork while also attracting attention. After that, add relevant tags. These keywords are very important because they help customers discover your work through search. Try to use accurate and meaningful terms that relate to your design. You will also need to write a short description. This is your opportunity to explain your artwork, share its inspiration, or give context to your design. A good description can make your listing more engaging and appealing to potential buyers. If your artwork contains sensitive or mature themes, you will be asked to indicate this by selecting the appropriate option. It is important to be honest here so your design is categorized correctly and follows platform guidelines. You will also need to confirm that you own the rights to the artwork and that it complies with Redbubble's policies. After reviewing all the details, click Save Work. This will publish your design and make it available on Redbubble's marketplace. At this point, your artwork is officially live and ready for customers to discover and purchase. As a final tip, take time to explore the platform, study how other artists present their work, and continue improving your listings over time. Engaging with the community and consistently uploading new designs can help you grow your presence and reach a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.